Hi and welcome to the Excel experience. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to efficiently sort your data by date in Microsoft Excel. First things first, open your Excel spreadsheet. Ensure that your date column is correctly formatted as dates for the sorting to work accurately. Now let's dive into sorting. Here are the steps. Step 1. Select the entire range of your data by clicking and dragging your cursor over the cells you want to sort, including headers. Step 2. Navigate to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. Step 3. Click on the Sort button. A dialog box will appear. Step 4. Ensure that My Data Has Headers option is checked as we have selected headers also. Step 5. In the Sort dialog box, choose the column that contains your dates from the Sort by drop-down menu. Step 6. Choose the order in which you want to sort the dates, either oldest to newest or newest to oldest. We will select oldest to newest. Last step, click OK to apply the sorting, and that's it. Your data is now sorted by date, starting with the oldest one. Now if you want to sort newest to oldest, repeat the same steps again and select newest to oldest. Remember, if your data changes or new entries are added, you'll need to reapply the sorting to maintain the updated order. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you found this information valuable, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more accelerated tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.